Hello everybody, how's it going? You want to know what I'm reading right now? Actually, I'm reading this interesting and enjoyable story. It's called The Curse of the Mummy. It's written by Joyce Hannum. In my view, Joyce Hannum is one of the most outstanding writers in the modern age. The main characters here in this story are Mr. Carter. Actually, he is the person who discovers the tomb of Tutankhamun. Lord Carnarvon, he is the person who paid money for Mr. Carter and his team to search for the tomb. Tariq, he's an Egyptian guy and he is the narrator of this story. He is one of the team of Mr. Carter. All the events of this story took place in Egypt, especially in Luxor in the Valley of the Kings. And as you know, the Valley of the Kings, it's a valley that's full of sand and a lot of dead Egyptian kings. Tariq tried to tell us about the long journey of searching for the tomb. Actually, it took years from them to find it, but Mr. Carter insisted to be the first one to find this tomb. Actually, they faced a lot of troubles, a lot of obstacles, but finally, in the autumn of 1922, Mr. Carter and his team discovered the place of the tomb. After that, soon later, Lord Carnarvon died. The bird of Lord Carnarvon died, and Karim, one of the team, also died. What is the reason for this? Is it the angry spirit of Tutankhamun? Is it the curse of the mummy? Do you believe in the curse of the mummy? To know all this information, you have to read the whole story, and I'm sure it will admire you.